So we're a cooking family. Mike's a gardener and we're both cooks. And he pretty much does all the outside cooking and I do the inside cooking. But he takes care of the yard. I just use everything he grows.
Hello.
Hi Mike, great to meet you.
Yes. So this is my raised bed garden. I have cabbage, green onion, garlic, Napa cabbage, broccoli, romaine lettuce. So I originally started growing in pots herbs that I like to use when I'm cooking. Parsley, thyme, mint, sage, dill. We use dill because we grow cucumbers and make our own pickle. In the summertime we'll plant a lot of basil because it grows good here in the summertime, and chili peppers. I make my own chili sauces. Okay, so what originally got me started with Gardener Supply was I was looking to find myself some rain barrels. I like the Gardener Supplies because they're 75-gallon rain barrels. I went online and did some research and I ended up coming across Gardener Supply, and that's finding you guys in the first place. I'll fill up buckets and take it over and water the fruit trees, especially when I know when the rainstorm's coming and I want to drain those down. So originally I had built my own raised beds with 4x4 posts, and as you can see the untreated wood rotted and dry rotted and only lasted maybe about 5 years. So I converted to the Gardener Supply raised beds, and I treated them with the oil that you sell to prevent the dry rot before I installed it. And I like the fact that they're a lot taller than the 4x4, so I'm able to have more soil in here and grow deeper roots. Okay, so I have everything on a drip system that, for reasons of trying to keep the moisture off of the leaves, especially cucumbers and squash, that tends to cause mildew, and so the drip system keeps the plants dry but feeds the roots really well. I have it all on an automatic system, so if we leave town, my vegetables continue to get watered and we come back and things are still looking great. This one here loves broccoli. The tomato stands that I have, I don't use in the winter, and I just flatten them out and use them as a fencing to keep her away from stealing my plants.
Well, what I really like about our garden is that a lot of times when we're cooking and I need something right away, like spices to make to my soups or my roasts, and we don't have it, I don't have to run to the grocery store. I just come right outside my back door and there's my herbs.
So another great thing about the raised bed system is I'm able to bring in some good quality soil, and I like to use organic, and whenever I add new plants I will incorporate some of the compost that I generate myself. Is I'll put a layer of it in, have the other one ready to go when you're done, and it works really good in the garden.
Golly, Michael, their garden is so amazing.